Hi guys, it's your boy Eric, and today I'll be showing you the process of how to make use of a foreign stamping machine. So what I'm doing right here is to connect the stamping machine to the socket, and the green light you're seeing there is to show that it is on. When it shows the red light, that's to show that it is off. So you need to understand the process of how to use it. So what you just need to do is to pick up your leather, take your stamp, that's the stamp you want to use, place it under the helmet and hold it down for quite a while, for about 30 seconds or 1 minute, depending on how thick your leather is. Once you do that, this is what you're gonna get. Can you see it very well? Can you see the logo that is stamped there? And that's just the process of doing. So let's try this on the insole of a slippers. So once you place it in the position where you want to, you can put something as a placement. I just place a Nora under the insole, and you can see the way I placed it, holding it down very well for quite a while, so that it's going to show very well. If you do not post it hold it down very well, it might just show faintly. You can see how this is showing very well. It is very important that you hold it down, because I heard a lot of people say that that the house is not showing very well. That's because you didn't hold it down very well. You didn't place something like a platform under. Can see the Nora I placed under. Please try and put something like that under, and you hold it down. Just hold it down. You can see that the green light is on and showing red, showing. That's why the regulator is the regulator help you control it. I put it in 100 degree. You can see how beautiful this is. That's just it. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you guys will purchase some of these machines. If you're interested, send me a DM and I'll send it to you wherever you are in Nigeria and outside Nigeria. God bless you.